And as promised, here's some observational evidence of deep convection event in the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, in the Gulf of Lions. Okay, so what's shown here are vertical slices, okay, vertical transects from the surface to about 1.5 kilometers depth, showing you sigma t. These are density anomalies. Okay? You have to add 1,000 to get the true density in kilograms per cubic meter. Plus, you can also see a little symbol here, which is theta. It's not based on the local temperature. It also takes into effect pressure corrections. Okay, it's something that we call the potential density. But anyway, okay. So what's shown here is observations in early winter and then observations 3 months later. So in early winter, you can see there are horizontal lines of density contours. The magnitude increases with depth. This is what we call stable stratification, but it's relatively weak, this stratification. You can also see a little bit of an upward bending of isopycnotes in a specific area here. Yeah? In this, the x-axis shows you distance, but expressed in geographical latitudes. Okay. Okay, and you can see in degrees and minutes. So it's a little bit tricky to convert to meters. But anyway, okay. So now, after the winter period, okay, late winter, the same region, you can see vertical lines. Okay, what vertical lines means, it's vertically mixed. So it's the same density near the surface as the density that you find in 1,500 meters. And there's further other observations indicated actually reached a depth of almost 2 kilometers during that year. So you have a region where you have very deep mixing of the water column from the surface to great depth. And the horizontal scale is about, can you see that here? What is 15 minutes? 15 minutes is a quarter of an hour. So it's a quarter of sort of 100 kilometers, is 25 kilometers, isn't it? Yeah. So it's a relatively small area which actually supports this deep convection. Again, this is one example of the deep convection, and similar events take place in the Greenland Sea and in the Labrador Sea. All right.